So this you can see, this is how I am pinning the means this tiles. These are called tiles here. Actually it was visual in the report, but now if you are here you can tell them tiles. Now you can add a comment, go to report, open in focus mode, export to Excel, edit details. When you go to edit details, you can change it. It's not looking good, so I will salary, total salary, uh, total salary of AMP. Tick, subtitle by ename. If you don't want it, you can delete it. Display last refresh time. Okay. Set custom link. Don't want. Apply. So such things you can do. It will show you when it got refreshed. Then go back. My workspace report. So we have seen, means we can even pin that visual from one report, or from we can use another reports as well. uh, then you can, okay, we have already tried. Okay, then sharing this dashboard is quite easy. You can click on share. You can write any of the email here. Hariom. So when once mm, you can include any message. I have created this new report and sharing with you. So kind of, so I will get one mail for this. So if you go to this, let come. Uh, okay, then what else here?
I have a basic question, Hariom.
Yes,
Yesterday I was trying to install Power BI desktop, but I was
yeah.
not couldn't able to install. It was saying to create an account in the Power BI, sign in and Microsoft account. So, does we require to add our work address or our Gmail will work there as it's a
No,
personal email?
no. Gmail doesn't work with it. So if you
So
are
we need,
working, yeah, if you are
yeah.
working, means obviously you can add your organization's mail, your company mail. You can
Okay,
sign in
and
with
then we
that.
can.
Yes, you can create
Okay.
an account. Else, if it is not existing, you can
Mm-hmm.
create with your company's account. And
Okay, so it is.
most of the time what happens, it uh, you can directly sign in most of the time, because organizational level they are providing it for free and they creates it automatically.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Means I have faced both the scenarios. So sometimes we even never knows whether I have a Power BI account or not, but your organization is already have provided you that. Second thing, you need to give your, sometime you need to give your credit card detail just for the identification. It will not charge you anything for that. Third scenario is that even you don't need to put your details, credit card details, and it will directly sign in you. It will allow you to sign in. So those all the scenarios I have faced, but you can try what suits you. Means what is asking you for.
Okay.
Here, you one here we have this view related option. This option actually tells you which data set you are using. You might be using same data set for multiple reports, so it will show you which data set you are using here. So accordingly, you can schedule that particular data set. You means you can make gateway connection using that data set. So mm, you cannot connect your report to the gateway. You have to have your data set. That then only you will be able to create a data source using, okay, using the this power using the gateway. Okay, let me quickly tell you one more thing. See, I haven't told you yesterday regarding this data type conversion. So once you click on this uh, measure, it provides you formats and it provides you data type. So it's a simple step. If your data is compatible to be converted, suppose you have decimal, you have this whole number, you want to convert it into decimal number. It is I it is supported because whole number can be converted into the uh, decimal numbers. If you are having even if you are having a string, your data type is text, you can create it you can convert it to the text. If you are having text but all the values are like a numeric values or decimal values, then only you will be able to convert it to the decimal number or integer or whole number. So you can create it, means you can convert it directly, Power BI provides you, but you have to take means you have to check whether your data is supporting or not, whether your data will support or not. So when sometime when you will import your data using Excel or any other sources and the data is in text, suppose I have a date but that is in the text format and you want to create convert it into the date time. Why we need it here in the Power BI is there are a number of functions, those can help us to work with the date. But if your data type, you are having your data type in a date format but that is internally or technically or by system it is showing you text, so you will not be able to work with that, work with date function with the text test field. So suppose now I have salary. Now when I am dragging it, sorry, now when I am dragging it here, see, earlier earlier I was able to see that sum function here. Now you are not, because of the data type. Now salary is a text type, that's why you cannot sum up the text. That's why I'm not able to see the text or sorry, sum function here. So by default, Power BI is now not providing you because you cannot sum up the text. So such things you need to take care. Uh, okay, I was telling about the date function. So see, I have date in this particular field, but now I am trying to convert it into I am trying to convert this, but because of my date format, because I have entered it manually and I might have okay, for that you need to select it. So I have selected it. Now I will get the option here, modeling, data type is text. Now I am converting it, I'm trying to convert it into the date format, but it is not converting because I have entered it manually and it is not supported format. So that you need to take care, but surely you will be able to convert. If I take some table from my system or from SQL server, it will convert. So this is all about data set. One more. Okay, now let's Okay, let's check out. Okay, let's try the conditional formatting here. Now we have conditional formatting in the Excel. It just it works same as in Excel, almost same, but here we have some. So you what you want conditional formatting. I think you already know what is conditional formatting is. So conditional formatting means, if your data means according to the your measure number of the measure or values you have in your measure, you want to perform some action, like if you want to keep it red, or you want to change the color of your font color or back color or whatever. So yeah, uh, then okay, yeah, I will. Let's tell me. So actually, if you are new to the reporting, yeah, obviously, okay, I will explain you. But if you are means you are very experienced in the reporting part, you will be automatically be able to understand all these things. But you just need a way to how to do it. Okay, first let me complete this. I will tell you those scenarios as well. So background color, I'm changing this background color. There are multiple options, but I'm showing you just one, so that now based on which field you want, that is some of salary, some I want to put it as default formatting as 0. Specific color don't format. uh, so lowest value is this and highest value is this. So I'm just not doing anything, I'm just clicking on OK. So it automatically gives you accordingly. So see, it is showing you red here, it is showing you green here, means Hariom is doing well, Gola is not doing well. If you just wanted to, you can format it according to minus values. If you want to show it, if something is in minus, you want to show it in red. Color scale rules field, these are all the rules you can define, or field value you on which field value you want to define, like you have other values as well, like just diverging means currently it is showing you particular colors, but now it will show you diverging colors. So middle value, or I can give here any value. Suppose I am giving 2000 here, based on which sum of employee detail. Say it is showing you red because till 2000, 1000, 1000, 2000. Okay, no, sorry. I think sum of salary, which table. Okay, sorry, it's a table now. Table, sum of salary. So right now you can try these conditional formatting here. Okay, sum, count, diverging. So middle value means it will automatically take the middle value, or else you can define here. Suppose I am defining is 1000.